In this video, we explore how Nexus AI's large tabular model revolutionizes enterprise data management by optimizing data handling and enhancing data-driven strategies. Did you know that Nexus AI's large tabular model can process data up to 10x faster than traditional methods? In today's video, we delve into the transformative power of Nexus AI in enterprise data management. We'll explore how this cutting-edge AI model optimizes data handling, improves quality, and enhances data-driven strategies. Stay tuned to uncover how Nexus AI can be a game-changer for your business.
Artificial intelligence has become a crucial element in the realm of data management, acting as a catalyst for unprecedented efficiency and productivity. AI technologies are designed to reduce human error, streamline processes, and offer new insights into large and complex datasets. In this segment, we'll explore how AI reshapes the way enterprises handle, store, and analyze data. With AI, businesses can automate repetitive tasks, reduce costs, and enhance decision-making. As we look toward the future, the role of AI in data management is expected to grow, addressing challenges and unlocking new opportunities for innovation. Large tabular models are revolutionizing the way enterprises manage vast amounts of data. These models offer a structured approach to storing and analyzing data in large tables, making them an ideal solution for handling complex datasets. Unlike traditional data models, large tabular models are designed to provide scalability and flexibility, enabling businesses to quickly adapt to changing data needs. In this section, we'll break down the components of large tabular models, compare them with traditional methods, and highlight their advantages in various industry applications. From finance to healthcare, these models are paving the way for more efficient data management and analysis.
Data quality is paramount in making informed business decisions. Nexus AI plays a critical role in enhancing data accuracy and reliability, which in turn affects the outcomes of business strategies. By utilizing advanced techniques for data cleansing and validation, Nexus AI ensures that data is free from errors and inconsistencies. In this block, we'll delve into the mechanisms through which Nexus AI improves data quality, and how these improvements translate into better business results. We'll also explore real-world case studies where enhanced data quality has led to significant outcomes, underscoring the importance of investing in AI-driven data management solutions.
Automation has become a cornerstone of efficient data management, and Nexus AI is at the forefront of this transformation. By automating routine data processes, Nexus AI significantly reduces the need for manual intervention, allowing businesses to allocate resources more effectively. This segment will explore the various ways in which Nexus AI automates data workflows, from data entry to analysis. We'll highlight the benefits of reduced manual handling, such as increased accuracy and faster processing times. Additionally, we'll provide examples of automated data processes that have led to improved productivity and cost savings, demonstrating the value of integrating Nexus AI into your data management strategy. In the age of big data, scalability is a critical factor for successful data management. Nexus AI offers scalable solutions that ensure businesses can efficiently process and analyze large volumes of data without compromise. This block will explore how Nexus AI handles big data challenges by providing a flexible infrastructure that adapts to growing data needs. We'll discuss cost-effective scaling options that allow enterprises to expand their data capabilities without incurring excessive costs. Additionally, we'll touch on how Nexus AI future-proofs data strategies, ensuring that businesses remain competitive in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. Understanding customer behavior is essential for any business aiming to enhance its offerings and customer experience. Nexus AI provides powerful tools for gaining deep insights into customer behavior through AI-driven analytics. In this section, we'll explore how Nexus AI utilizes predictive analytics to forecast customer needs and preferences, enabling businesses to make informed decisions. By analyzing patterns and trends, Nexus AI helps companies tailor their strategies to improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. We'll also showcase real-world examples where AI insights have led to transformative changes in customer engagement, highlighting the importance of integrating AI into customer analytics. The integration of Nexus AI with business intelligence by tools creates a powerful synergy that enhances data visualization, reporting, and decision-making processes. This block will explore the numerous benefits of combining AI with BI tools, such as improved accuracy and speed in data analysis. We'll discuss how this integration streamlines workflows and supports more informed decision-making by providing real-time insights and comprehensive reports. Examples of successful integrations will be highlighted, showcasing how companies have leveraged AI and BI tools to gain a competitive edge. We'll also touch on future trends in this area, predicting how AI and BI collaborations will continue to evolve.
Data redundancy poses significant challenges in data management, leading to inefficiencies and increased costs. Nexus AI employs advanced techniques to minimize redundancy, optimizing storage and retrieval processes. In this segment, we'll discuss the challenges associated with data redundancy and how Nexus AI addresses these issues. By reducing duplicate data, Nexus AI enhances efficiency and results in significant cost savings for enterprises. We'll explore real-world case studies where businesses have successfully minimized data redundancy, highlighting the tangible benefits of implementing AI-driven strategies. This not only improves data management but also supports better decision-making and resource allocation. In conclusion, Nexus AI stands at the forefront of transforming enterprise data management. By enhancing data quality, automating processes, providing scalable solutions, and offering deep insights, Nexus AI equips businesses with the tools needed to thrive in a data-driven world. As we look to the future, the integration of AI into data management strategies will be crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. We encourage you to explore how Nexus AI can benefit your business and invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.